Hello and welcome to Atlantic Technological University, Sligo. This is a short navigational guide to show you how to use the website freecourses.atu.ie, where a lot of the free courses and short courses for online delivery are kept and available to apply for and enroll on at ATU Sligo. First of all, type in the web address that you see here. Either you can type it into the address bar or to the search into the search bar. So type in www.freecourses.atu.ie as you see here on the screen. And when it comes up, you can select it from all the options. It should be the first one that comes up in your web browser. Then you're presented with all of the courses available at freecourses.atu.ie. And this primarily today, we're going to be looking at how to enroll on the Introduction to Lean Construction, which is further down the web page here. But to begin with, you'll need to enroll or create a profile for yourself. So by doing that, we'll go to the login page, which is in the top right-hand corner of the screen. So you click on the login button where the cursor is highlighting the icon here. That brings you to the enroll page. So here, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to create an account, or if you have an account, you can type in your username and password and then log in. But for now, you'll need to create it yourself, creating a username, which will be different or can be different to your email address, so you can have it the same as your email address if you want to make it easy to remember, or you can just type in something that's something that feels describes you, or like a nickname. Then come up with a password for yourself, an email address that you'll have easy access to, which you then repeat again, and then put in your first name. And you can just put in Ireland as the country. You don't necessarily need to put in a town. And then there's just a second factor authentication. Now go to your email to activate your account, which will then bring you to a login screen. Once you've logged in, you are introduced to the main homepage or dashboard page of freecourses.atu.ie. Lists all the courses down the middle of the page, and down the left-hand page is a navigation and menu bar for the different options and courses you can take part in and news and notifications of upcoming courses. So this is the standard student view. To make it easier for you to find your way around the website, we advise that you can hide the blocks on the left-hand side, and then even make the whole central part of the screen the full screen width. But you can adapt the screen using these two icons in the top right-hand corner, clicking the show or hide blocks, and then the standard view block that can expand or narrow the screen, whatever you're most comfortable with. So I'm going to show you that again. So you can click the hide blocks, which hides the navigation menus on the left-hand side, and then you can make the screen full width so that you can see all of the learning content down as wide as down the middle of the screen as possible. So now we're going to go into the Lean Construction course. And then it's the only course under that subject heading of construction. So you click on Introduction to Lean Construction. You will need to agree to the site policy agreement. To do so, you scroll down the screen, click the Yes button. Then you see the main enrollment screen for the course, for the Introduction to Lean Construction course. And then you click, and that brings you to the course homepage. So first of all, there's an introduction and a description of what the course is like and how it would be delivered. Then a useful way to negotiate the course, again with standard view being opposite to this, and then the full screen. So that gives you the full width of the screen to enjoy looking at the content and the videos and all the interactive buttons that are on the screen. There's a bit more of an in-depth description of the course and an introduction, frequently asked questions guide. All of these questions are hyperlinked, so they take you straight to the relevant page. And then there's a welcome and a description of the course. Each of the units have a self-contained learning package within them, so you need to click the enter button, like so. It takes you into the course itself, beginning with an introduction to your lecturer and an outline of the course and the workflow. The whole workflow of the course is designed that you can take any part of the course whenever suits, and they're reusable, so you can take them again and again. And they're there as a reference guide so that you don't have to be an assigned fee-paying registered student. This course is fully accessible as a free course, and you can keep going over the material again and again, take in the content and take in the subject. And then we go down to the first introductory video, which is just like watching YouTube videos online. You can click play, and it begins an introductory video prepared by the course team and your lecturer. And there's a transcript of the introduction, as well as the slides of the introduction. And then you can go straight back to the main menu page of your course by looking at the menu bars in the top left-hand corner of the page. And you can either go right back to the very home page of free courses, or you can go back to your course itself by clicking on the relevant highlighted section of the menu bar. And just one final piece is if you can then click on each unit of the course by clicking on the relevant tile and then clicking on the course unit, which then again has an enter button to begin. Once you go in, you can either click the start course button, which takes you into the course again. There's another paragraph for introducing each unit, and then you can either click on the units themselves to go straight into the units and start taking the course, which is mostly a scroll down way of viewing the course. There are videos spaced out in between of site visits and lecture slides by your actual lecturer, and we hope you enjoyed the course. Thank you.